watching Funny Heck Yes Info. Today our toolbox topic is 10 things to be considering for usage and selection of fall arrest systems. Whenever you are using fall arrest system, please consider these 10 things for safety. 1. A qualified person must select the components, materials, anchorage and anchorage connectors to match the system application, the workplace hazards, and the environment. 2. Warnings. Always read all instructions and warnings contained on the product and packaging before using any fall protection equipment. 3. Inspection. All fall protection equipment must be inspected prior to each use. 4. Training. All workers should be trained by a competent person in the proper use of fall protection products. 5. Regulations. Understand all federal, state or provincial and local regulations pertaining to fall protection before selecting and using the equipment. 6. Rescue planning. Minimizing the time between a fall occurrence and medical attention of the worker is vitally important. A thorough rescue program should be established prior to using fall protection equipment. 7. Product system preferences. If there are any doubts about which fall protection products to use, contact your preferred fall protection manufacturer for assistance. 8. System components. Only components that are fully compatible with one another should be used. Fall arrest systems are designed and tested as complete systems and should be used in this way. 9. Equipment removal. After a fall occurs, all components of the fall arrest system should be removed from service. 10. Sharp edges. If work must be performed near unavoidable sharp edges, plan to protect against cutting by use of heavy padding or other means of covering the sharp edge. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. If you want notes about this video, please visit my website link given in description box. Have a safe day.